Today we're reviewing the Redragon wireless mechanical keyboard, and this has RGB, and there's three different modes: Bluetooth 2.4G and wired, with 81 custom keys. Now, big shout out to Redragon for sending this over for a review, and let's get right into it. And let's take a look at the back of the box and see what the writing is. So it looks like it's just telling us some more stuff of what it's going on with this keyboard. Wireless again, three modes: Bluetooth, 2.4G, and wired. We're definitely going to plug it in wired and show you how it is. And we'll just show you the wireless dongle or for the 2.4G. And for Bluetooth, everybody knows how to use Bluetooth on their computer. We're not going to have to show you that. So let's get right into the unboxing. So let's see what's in this box and what the keyboard came with. So this is a beautiful box. Shout out to Redragon. Look at this dragon here on the box. Nice gray box. And we open it up and let's see what we got. So we have the keyboard nice wrapped up, and it has the Redragon right on the end of the box too. Beautiful, beautiful looking thing. So let's pull it out, pull the plastic up, and see what we have. All right, so with this Redragon keyboard, let's take a look at it. So right on the top, it has the Redragon Ready for Battle theme going on. And it's a beautiful black with gray keycaps. And then we also do have the volume wheel that's right on the keyboard there. Beautiful for your volume control. You have the LCD screen also right next to it. We'll light that up and show you once we get to that part of the review. But then we also have the USB-C to USB-A, which you're going to plug into your keyboard, which is definitely nice. It looks like it's nice and braided here. Nice feel to it. So definitely the way to go with the Redragon stuff. Now also, it does come with the keycap remover, the unsung hero of the keyboard. You definitely need this to change your keycaps. And then we also have extra keycaps that they have there with you that comes right in there. Comes with this nice little box also, but it's very cool. But also on the side, on the left-hand side of the keyboard, that's the right-hand side. Well, we do the right-hand side first. The right-hand side of the keyboard, guys, do not miss out on this. This is where your wireless dongle is going to be. So the wireless USB to make this wireless, it's right in there. So it blends in with the keyboard. So a lot of people might miss this. So definitely you want to check that out. But also on the left-hand side of the keyboard, there's your switches. So it switches to different modes. So your Bluetooth mode, your wire mode, and your wireless mode. So that's the nice little switch there. So yeah, let's get into it and see how this lights up and looks. All right, so we have the keyboard plugged in, and look at this beautiful RGB coming off the keys and the keyboard here. So another thing to note, which is cool about this keyboard, it has the letters printed on the sides of the keycaps themselves. So they're not directly on top of the keycaps, they're on the side. So it makes it look like a cleaner finish on the keyboard. And there's not a lot of things going on, so it's just nice and plain and simple. But it's good when you're sitting in front of the keyboard, you'll be able to still look at the letters and the function keys and the space bar. So we got that going. And now we have the feet also on the keyboard. So you can, if you don't want to do a flat, some people like it elevated. We do have that. And then also the LCD screen. Now the LCD screen is super bright And the volume knob not only adjusts the volume, but it also gets you into the menu for your color, your for if this keyboard's going to be for Windows or Mac. So there's a little section for that, and the speed of the keys, and you just got to press the volume of the keyboard. So you press it down, and you get into this mode. So it has different colored modes. So you can do a static color, or you can have it just do all the colors at one, like the rainbow. And again, so we do have the button layout, which is for Windows and Mac, and it's going to be labeled layout, and it's going to have Windows or Mac. So if you're a Mac user, you can use this keyboard too as well, and you'll have the same functionality as always with your Mac keyboards. But yeah, that is definitely so cool about this Redragon. Again, appreciate them sending this out to me for review. And then we're going to leave you with a little something that you're going to love for your ears here.